Hey everyone! So, can you change your Facebook profile picture without anyone knowing? So, the answer is yes. So, you can change your profile picture without making a post about it on your timeline. So, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. So, first, open Facebook and click your profile in the bottom right corner. So, click your name at the top. Once you're here, click on your current profile picture. Next, click Select Profile Picture. Choose a photo you want to use from your device or from your existing Facebook photos. So click on it. Once you choose the image, next thing you can do is once you choose the image, so next look for the option that says share your update to feed. If you see this option, make sure it's turned off. So uncheck it just like so. Once that's done, click save or update at the top right corner to apply your new profile picture. So wait for it to finish updating.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So your profile picture will now be updated without creating a regular post announcing the change on your newsfeed. However, keep in mind that your new profile picture can still be seen by people who visit your Facebook profile. So this doesn't completely hide the change, it simply prevents Facebook from automatically sharing as a post in the newsfeed. So you can double check it, you can scroll down and check if there's an update. So as you can see, there's none. And that's how you can change your Facebook profile picture without announcing the update to everyone. Thank you for watching.